Precision, flexibility, and exact repetition are the catchwords for the new Accura series from HOLZ-HER. 3 frame lengths with 5 different equipment versions are available for customizing your machine to a made-to-measure tailored solution. The Accura operates with completely redesigned units with play-free mechanical systems and high-precision, fully digital NC servo axes, guaranteeing precise positioning with 100% repeatable accuracy. If desired, the units can all be equipped with multi-function tools. An 18.5-inch touchscreen with widescreen format allows selection of the specific profile on the multiple stage diamond tool, driven automatically into the precise starting position. The dual-motor shaping cutter also incorporates the new NC drives and play-free systems. A fully automatic revolving changer with absolute repetition accuracy allows fully automatic shaping with up to 4 profiles. The fully automatic revolving scraper unit adds the finishing touch. 5 different profiles can be selected in the revolving tool magazine at the touch of a button. The turret can be equipped with standard carbide-tipped scrapers to complete the integrated multifunction features with multiple stage tools and revolving tool magazine on the Accura. Naturally, the Accura is equipped with our patented GlueJet glue application system. 3-minute heat-up time, PUR glue processing for standard and super strength connections with invisible zero joints are just a few of the customer benefits, which you will learn to appreciate quickly. Different radii on plastic edging, processing of thin edging, workpieces with 45-degree chamfer in various thicknesses, highly differing solid wood applications can be produced in batch sizes of 1 without setup time. The perfect machine for furniture makers and contractors, delivering exactly what the customer needs, when they need it, without compromise and in a profitable manner.